All right. Hi, and welcome to yet another video. And this video is just to tell you about the folders. Okay. If you're preparing for October 2026, first of all, I appreciate you for being here. Okay. I respect all my students, and definitely I expect to be respected in return. And this is a small relationship and a connection that we share as a teacher and student. And if you have started to prepare, if you have purchased the course pack already for October 2026, then let me tell you that you will get access to two folders on the Google Drive, right? There are two folders that you get access to, including this third folder in which you have all these videos. So apart from this main folder in which you have these introduction videos, you have access to the two main study related folders on Google Drive. And the first folder, as you can see on your screen right now, here I'm going to share my screen so you understand. The first folder you get access to are the lectures, right? If you have enrolled for AS or if you have enrolled for A2, you will get the access to that particular folder, such as if you have enrolled for AS, then you will get access to this folder as you see on your screen, Business AS Level Lectures. And when you go in this folder, you will see that you have all the folders unit by unit, Unit 1, then Unit 2, then Unit 3, then 4, then 5. And this is for AS. And if you have enrolled for A2, then you will obviously get access to the A2 folder. And similarly for A2, we have folders for all the particular units. And within these folders, you will be able to find all the video lectures, right? Like you will see me teaching different concepts and introducing you the chapters and introducing the mind maps and giving you the concepts and you know what's included in the course. So if you go in chapter 1, let's say you have all the classes, you can start to see each video lecture one by one. And I will definitely say that you must have a notebook, proper notebook, well-maintained notebook. When you, let's say, play class 1, if I'm a student, if I play class 1, I'll have my notebook, I will see the video on the screen and I will make notes. Okay, what is Asad saying? What is he telling? What is he explaining? Okay, this is a nice example that he gave. I will just start to make notes as a student. That is a very important element. Okay, not just watch it and just be. Okay, you have to make your own notes while watching the lectures. That's a really important thing. And I will recommend you to go unit by unit. Go in flow, go in order, Unit 1, then Unit 2, then Unit 3, then Unit 4, then Unit 5, like that. Okay, and same goes for A2. If you're A2s, then Unit 1, then Unit 2, then Unit 3, then Unit... And if you're accelerated, if you're giving AS and A2 together, both the papers in October, let's say if there are students who want to prepare like together for AS and A2, then obviously you will get both these folders and then you will have to watch the entire Unit 1 of AS and A2, the entire Unit 2 of AS and A2, the entire Unit 3 of AS and A2, like that. Okay, that is the order that you follow. And apart from this folder, the lectures, you will also get access to our resources. That is the second main folder. Like the one thing, the first part you get is lectures. The second part you get are the resources, either for AS or A2, depending on your level as a student. So let's say if you have enrolled for AS, then you will get access to this particular folder of our resources, which are well crafted, specially designed for the students like you to prepare, to help you prepare. And these resources definitely are quite sufficient for you to prepare for your CAIE. And if you use them well, if you're smart enough to use them, then definitely you will feel very confident by the end of your preparation. So yeah, again, how do we use these resources? I will tell you more about it, but these resources have like multiple options. You have your handouts, we have our official Peter Stimpson book, then we have our glossary, which includes the key terms and the definitions. Then we have our homeworks, because on every chapter you will have to complete a specific homework. And that will be in this particular homework related folder as you see on the screen. Then we have our mind maps that summarizes the entire chapter. We have our very well designed presentations for our entire course. And these presentations are very visually and appealing way to just revise the content. Then we have our specimen exam, so you can see how the paper structure looks like. And we have our study notes, which you can use to read all the descriptive notes basically of the concepts. And then we have our support worksheets. These are also just a play around tool. If you want to use them, that's an optional tool. And then we have our topical questions. For each topic, you get questions. If you want to start writing the answers and practice, And then we have our yearly past papers on this particular folder. So yeah, this is the bunch of ingredients that you have. So you can cook your meal well and eat a delicious food by the end of exam and get the good grades, obviously. So yeah, this is what support we are giving you. These are the two folders you will get access to, and you will get hold of it. Trust me. And we are going to support you throughout on how to use the resources, how to go about it, step by step. And if you have any questions, if you still have any confusions or problems, or you feel like, oh, I do not understand this part, then you will be in contact with us on our WhatsApp group. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions and staying connected with you on the journey. Best of luck for upcoming exams. Have a good day ahead. Keep smiling.